Hello, good evening everyone. Can everyone hear me?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yes. Let us start. Okay, last day we were doing rate measure, right? Let us continue. Some. While looking at it, over there is a place. Three shares you have. What else you want? Huh?
She was selecting.
Oh, selecting. I got three options. Imagine choosing options. We had four options. Each option. Pay attention, everyone. Application of derivatives. Okay, these were the homework questions. Let me see. Huh? First one is the proof problem. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. Tan inverse. Anyone having any doubt in the first one? Tell me. Shana, have any doubt? No. How many problems you solved?
Oh yes, first one. I didn't remember it.
Why? Don't know how to calculate the angle between them. So see, pay attention.
Finding out the slope, I was.
First of all, you find out the intersection point. Okay. Question number one. Okay. So what are the curves we have got? Y square equal to x and x cube plus y cube is equal to 3xy or plus 3xy? Equal to 3xy. Okay, we need to find out the angle between them. Okay, equal to 3xy. Okay, so over here you see, Shana, we need to find out the intersection point. So what shall we do? Tell me how to find out the intersection point between these two curves. Tell me. Huh? Substitute. You have done it in class 8, right? Substitution method, solving simultaneous linear equation. Put x equal to y square. What do we get? We'll get y to the power 6 plus y cube is equal to 3 y square, that is 3y cube, right? Taking 3y cube to the left hand side, this implies y to the power 6 minus 2y cube is equal to 0, right? So when you take y cube common, we are going to get y cube minus 2 is equal to 0, right? Y cube minus 2 will have how many roots? Tell me. Huh? One real, two imaginary, right? But we don't take imaginary one. So y will be equal to 2 to the power 1 by 3 or 0, right? You people got these points, right? Tell me everyone. So one is the origin, and another one is the, and another one 2 to the power 1 by 3. Okay. Next, what you have to do? I mean, in order to find out the angle between them. So first of all, let us start differentiating. We have to find out the slope between them. Okay. Let us start differentiating. So we've got a y square equal to x. Okay. 2y dash will be equal to how much? 2y dash is equal to 1. Y dash is equal to 1 by 2y. Right, tell me. So you have got a vertical tangent over here, okay? One slope is undefined, right? Y dash at 0, 0. Y dash at 0, 0 is undefined. Undefined means vertical tangent. Right. So at origin, this is a vertical. We already know y square equal to x, vertical tangent, y axis. Okay. Next. So what is the slope? Tell me. When you get a vertical tangent, you remember in the class I gave one concept last day.
Inverse.
It will be the reciprocal of the slope of the next one. Let us find out the tangent. Okay. So another one, x cube plus y cube plus 3xy is equal to 0, right? So let us differentiate. What are we getting? 3x square plus what? Minus 3xy it was. Okay, minus 3xy plus 3y square plus minus 3 into x y dash minus 3y equal to 0, right? Tell me. So what are we getting? Wait a minute. Y dash will be y dash over here as well. and anywhere else? No. So taking y dash common, what are we getting? 3y square minus 3x is equal to 3y minus 3x square, right? Tell me everyone. So y dash will be equal to y minus x square upon y square minus x. You people got this? Tell me. Y square minus x. Again at origin it is a vertical tangent. So for case 1, what is the angle between them? 0. Right. So y dash is equal to, achha, but this is 0 by 0 form. Right. X equal to 0. Oh no, I'm thinking too much. No, I'm thinking too much. Okay. Sign defined. Vertical tangent, okay. Because it is exactly at 0, not tending to 0. So vertical tangent, okay. So again, over here, what will be the therefore we'll get, therefore the angle is 0 over here. Angle with the tangent we have got in the first one. The slopes are same, na? Understand? Slopes are same. Okay, anyways, let us continue. Tell me.
Sir, tan inverse is undefined at 2 points, right? Then
Tan inverse is?
undefined at 2 points. No, sorry.
Okay, case 2, okay. Case 2, when the point is, so y equal to x square. What have we got for x? 2 to the power 1 by 3, right? So what will be the point in case 2? 2 to the power 1 by 3, comma 2 to the power 2 by 3. Right, tell me everyone. Y equal to x square. So now are you getting? Okay, so let's find out the slope at these points, okay. For the first one, what will happen? Y will be equal to 1 by 2 to the power, y dash will be equal to 1 by 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2 by 3, right? That will give us how much? 1 upon 2 to the power 1 plus 2 by 3, that will give us 2 to the power 5 by 3. Okay, are people getting? Next.
It was 1 by 2x, right?
Wait a minute. 1 by 2 by. Right. And over here, the question. And in the next case, what will you get?
Sir, it was y squared equals to s, not x squared equals to y.
Yes.
So I've got the points correctly.
Y will be 1 by 3.
Wait. Y square equal to x. So I substitute x equal to y square. I'll get y to the power 6, right? Y to the 6 plus y cube is equal to 3y square. Taking it to the left hand side, I am getting y to the power 6 minus 2y cube is equal to 0. Right?
Everything is correct. That y is equal to 2 to the power 1 by 3. We have substituted 2
So
to the
we
power 2 by 3.
already written the point. The
Oh,
points
I
are
wrote the
not
points
equal.
incorrectly.
You are 2 by 3 power this.
Oh, y was 2 to the power. I swapped it actually. In second case, there is a mistake. So over here, what have we got for y? Y is equal to 2 to the power 1 by 3, right? So x will be equal to, tell me, what will be the value of x? Y square equal to x, right? Tell me. So what is y square? 2 to the power 2 by 3. So over here we'll get 2 to the power 2 by 3. Achha, next, y dash will be equal to 2 into 2 to the power 1 by 3, right? So this will give us how much? 2 to the power 4 by 3. Right, everyone got 2 to the power 1 by 2 to the power 4 by 3? Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Next. In the second case, what will happen? Tell me. Over there, y dash for x cube plus y cube is equal to 3xy. For x cube plus y cube is equal to 3xy. What was y dash? Y dash, I've got y minus x square. Let me see. I've got y minus x square upon x, y minus x square upon y square minus x. Oh, this is the undefined. Denominator is 0. Can you see? Over here, denominator y square equal to x, right? Denominator is 0. So this is undefined. If this is undefined, then what is the slope? Tell me. So now 1 by tan of the first one, right? Slope will be equal to 1 by 2 to the power 4 by 3, which is equal to 2 to the power 4 by 3, right? That is 16 to the power 1 by 3. Yes, we are getting the result, and we need to find out the angle between them. So theta will be equal to tan inverse, implies theta will be equal to tan inverse 16 to the power 1 by 3. Tell me, are people getting? So this is what we needed to prove. Avigyan, is it clear? Simple only. Next, number 2. So number 1 is done. Number 2 is you have to prove orthogonality. Tell me, Shania, you have any doubt? Number 2? No, but you didn't solve it. Tell me. Don't have a doubt? After JEE Mains, there is a pile of homework questions which you'll be solving out.
Sir, I saw 3, so I said 2.
Question number 3, anyone having any doubt? A is equal to plus minus. So actually the question was equal to 1, okay. So what kind of a curve it is? First one? Ellipse, right? Okay. A will be equal to plus minus root 2. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me.
I did not get this.
Yes, you have done a mistake. If find A, let me solve. Okay. Should I solve? Tell me, or you will solve. Tell me. Tell me, should I solve?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us solve. Y square equal to 16x. So I differentiate both of them. For orthogonality, what is the angle between the, what will be the condition we are going to apply? M1, M2 is equal to minus 1. Pay attention. Y square, x square plus y square by 16. This is number 3, right?
Sir, okay, I have done.
Done it. Rhythm, should I solve?
I think I will
2x by a square. Tell me, should I solve? 2x by a square plus 2y y dash by 4 must be equal to 0. Right? Tell me. 2y y dash must be equal to 4. Dividing by 2, what do we get? We'll get x upon a square plus y dash upon 4 must be equal to 0. So what is y dash from here? Tell me. Y dash will be equal to minus 4x by a square into y. Right, tell me, this is what I am getting. Minus 4x by a square into y. This is the slope, this is M1. Let's talk about M2. What is M2? Tell me, M2 is equal to, y square was 16x, right? So 2y y dash is equal to 16. So y dash is equal to 8 by y. Right, tell me. So I've got 2 of them. They are orthogonal, right? Tell me. Therefore, minus 4x by a square into y.
Okay, sir, I got it.
So should I solve further or?
Simple calculation.
Calculation mistake. Question number 4. Fourth answer is 16. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me, Shania, you have any doubt? Yes, okay, let us start. Tangent at P1 other than 0, 0 on y equal to x. So first of all, let us draw the curve. Okay, y equal to x cube. I'm going to draw. So this,
16 or 32.
huh?
16 or 32.
I have got 16 over here. Okay. So this is the graph of y equal to x cube. Okay. What is it saying? That tangent at P1. Pay attention. Means if you draw a tangent at P1, let me see. Tangent at P1 cuts the curve again at P2. Tangent at P2 meets the curve again at P3. Like this, a lot of points we are getting a lot of points. So if you draw a tangent at P1, it will be somewhat like this. It is cutting at P2. Can you see? Shashwato?
Yes, sir.
So let us call this P1. This is P2. Okay, but actually, again, with P2 it will be very far. Wait. Let us draw a tangent over here. This P1. So this is P1. Cuts the curve again at P2. Okay. Tangent at P2 cuts the curve again. So this is the tangent. It cuts the curve again at P3. Can you understand? Are you able to visualize the diagram?
Yes, sir.
This is P3. So a triangle is being formed. P1, P2, P3. Then again, if you draw a tangent at P3, it will cut the curve again at P4. Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
It will be a bit far, but you can understand. Tell me. Next. So we need to find out area of triangle P2, P3, P4, whatever it is. Okay. So whenever such kind of questions are given, always try to find out a relation between the terms in the sequence P1, P2, P3, P4. Always try to find out the terms. Okay. Let us call P1 as alpha, comma, alpha cube. Y equal to x cube, right? P1 is alpha, comma, alpha cube. Okay. P2 is beta, comma, beta cube. And P3 is gamma, comma, gamma cube. Tell me, is it clear? Shashwato?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm going to differentiate. Okay. Finding the slope of the tangent at P1. So on differentiating, what do we get? Y dash will be equal to 3x square. Right, tell me. And y dash at 3x square will be equal to, tell me, what is y dash at 3x square? Y dash at alpha comma alpha cube will be equal to 3 alpha square, right? Tell me. This implies, what is the equation of tangent? Equation of tangent will be y minus alpha cube will be equal to 3 alpha square into x minus alpha, right? Tell me. Now it intersects again at P2. So we need to find out the intersection point, isn't it? In order to find out the intersection point, we need to solve the equation. Tangent and so substitute y equal to
Alpha cube. Sorry.
x
Yes.
cube, na? X cube. Y equal to x cube, let us substitute. We'll get putting y equal to x cube to get P2. To get P2. What do we get? X cube minus alpha cube is equal to 3 alpha square into x minus alpha. Let us simplify. What do we get? X cube minus alpha cube minus 3 alpha square x.
No, sir, you will cancel x minus alpha.
Can cancel out x minus alpha. That would be better. That would be actually better. Since x cannot be equal to alpha. Since x cannot be alpha, we can cancel out. We'll get x square plus alpha x plus alpha square will be equal to 3 alpha square, right? So from here we'll get a quadratic in x, right? We'll get x square plus alpha x minus 2 alpha square is equal to 0. We can factorize it. What do we get? X square plus 2 alpha x minus alpha x minus 2 alpha square equal to 0. So from here taking x common, x plus 2 alpha minus x common, alpha minus alpha x plus 2 alpha equal to 0. So x cannot be alpha, right? This implies x has to be equal to minus 2 alpha. Understood? X is equal to minus 2 alpha. Then what is beta? Beta is actually equal to minus 2 alpha. So what is gamma? Gamma is equal to minus 2 beta, which is equal to 4 alpha. Right? Are you getting the pattern? What is delta? Delta is equal to minus 8 alpha. So they are in GP, right? Points are in GP. Can you people understand? Those who are online, are people getting? This implies, okay. So over here we can say the abscissors are in GP. Abscissors and ordinates are also in GP. Abscissors are in geometric progression. Those who are online, are people getting? Tell me. Tell me, those who are online, Adrito, Ariva, are people getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the common ratio, everyone? Tell me.
Minus 2 and minus 8 for the.
With common ratio is equal to minus 2. Right, tell me. Alpha minus 2 alpha, that will be 4 alpha. Okay, like this it goes on. Okay. What do I need to find out? Therefore, area of, what do I need to find out? Let me see. P2, P3, P4, right? Divided by P1, P2, P3. Area of P2, P3, P4 divided by P1, P2, P3. That's fine. So this will be equal to half into, I'm going to use determinant, okay? Mod of determinant 1, 1, 1. Okay. 1, 1, 1. Okay. What are the points? P1, P2 will be equal to minus 2 alpha. Minus 2 alpha, so it will be minus 8 alpha cube. Right. If P1 is equal to minus 8 alpha, minus 2 alpha, then it will be minus 8 alpha cube. Okay. Minus 2 alpha, minus 8 alpha cube. So 4 alpha, that will be 4 cube, 64, 64 alpha. 64 alpha cube. Yes. And next one will be 4 into minus 2, minus 8 alpha. And over here 512. Minus 512 alpha. Tell me, are you getting? Divided by half will get cancelled, so I am not writing it. Okay. Divided by determinant of 1, 1, 1. P1, P2, P3, right? P1, P2, P3 means alpha, alpha cube, minus 2 alpha, minus 8 alpha cube, 4 alpha, 64 alpha cube. Tell me, is it clear, Shashwat?
Yes.
Okay.
This common system.
Huh?
You can just take common.
Yes, I am thinking of taking common only.
2 from the second one.
2 from the second row and
minus 2 from second row, minus 8 from the third.
yes. See in the numerator, we take minus 2 common from the second row and minus 8 common from the third row. I think the first determinant will be will be same as the determinant in the denominator. Is it clear? So Shashwata, I hope it is clear to you.
Yes.
These two will get cancelled. Answer is 16. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Those are online, is it clear? Which part?
You are taking common minus.
Minus 8. Minus 8 is common from here. If you take minus 8 common, it will be same as the third row in the denominator, in the determinant in the denominator. Is it clear? I have done determinants. Do you remember?
Sir, before which chapter you asked her?
Before?
Which chapter you did determinants?
Which chapter? Sure. Straight lines. We did it in straight lines.
Yes.
No, 30% you can see. Huh? Straight lines it was required. Okay. It was required. Writing the different forms of straight line, angle bisectors, medians. It was required. I've done it.
Still, I didn't find any question where to use that median angle bisected determinant form.
Keep it for yourself. What if it comes? Right. You will be the lucky ones. Are you getting? Next, water is flowing out from a conical. So this one, the answer is root 2 by 4 pi. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. Root 2 upon 4 pi, tell me. If there is anyone having any doubt, tell me. Abhigyan.
So shouldn't there be a minus over it?
Actually, I have asked you the rate of decrease.
Oh, yeah, all right. Okay.
If I had asked you the rate of increase, then minus.
Yeah, got it.
That's why I told you. Okay. So over there, the options will be given plus, minus. Okay. Next, 400 pi by 3. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. 400 pi over 3. Have a doubt? Okay, it is given the height edge of a circular cone is 20 centimeter and is decreasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per second. Okay. So dh by dt. So whatever is given to us, let us write it. Okay. This is number 6.
Yes, sir.
So what is dh by dt given?
4.
4, right?
Minus.
Minus? Decreasing, minus 4. Okay. H by dt is minus 4. And h is given as 20, right? What else is given?
Increase of radius.
Rate of increase of radius. dr by dt is given as how much?
2.
2. These are the things given to us, right? What are they asking?
dV by dt.
dv by dt means rate of increase of volume.
Yes.
V is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, sometimes dv by dt will be equal to 1/3 pi into 2r dr by dt. Oh, wait a minute. Over here, have to use UV rule. Yes, 1/3 pi is common. Over here, we have to use UV rule. Are you getting? R square into, but the radius is not given. The radius given.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Given?
Yes.
How much? I didn't write it. What is the radius?
10.
10. R square into dh by dt plus 2r dr by dt into h, right? Tell me everyone. Swapnil, are you getting? Now I think we can substitute, right? We can substitute all the values. I think we'll get the result. 1/3 pi into, what is r square? 10 square 100 into dh by dt is equal to minus 4 plus 2r. 2r is 20. 20 dr by dt into 2 into h is equal to 20. So are we getting the result? 800 minus 400. 400 pi by 3. Tell me. Is it clear, Swapnil? And somebody changed it into 4 meter cube. I don't know who. 400 pi by 3 centimeter cube per second. Will it be equal to 4 by 3 pi meter cube per second? Tell me. Yes. Yeah, I was shocked actually.
Much smaller.
Huh?
Much smaller.
Anyways.
There will be 10 to the power minus 4.
So minus. Next.
Is it but I have to 25.
A horse runs 40 km per hour. Anyone having any doubt, tell me.
Sir, can you solve question number 7?
Okay. A horse runs along a circle with speed 20 km per hour. A lantern is at the center. Okay. So you must have seen a. I mean, what do you say? Place where how horses live? Stable. No, race course is where they run. Stable. Okay. So in a stable, okay, they practice or what you can say a little run. Okay. Eat. She was always thinking about eating. Still, Shania, you are like this. Definitely. Okay, anyways. So this is the okay, a horse is running in a circular path or how is it running?
It's running in the circle path.
In a circular path. Okay. Let me see. A horse a horse runs along a circle with speed 20 along a circle. It is running along a circle. Okay. And okay. Along a circle with 20 kilometers per hour. The lantern is at the center. Achha, if the lantern is at the center, pay attention. The lantern is at the center. Okay. Its shadow will be casted on the wall, which is tangential. Try to understand. Tell me, Adrija, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, like this it will be casted. Can you people understand? Okay. Means over here the shadow will be very less. As it moves around the circle, the shadow will keep on. Its height oscillatory, and then afterwards it will come back over here after this point. Then again this. Then again. Are you getting?
I was thought that
Maximum height will be at this point. Right? Are you get maximum angle? Are you getting?
but velocity is bigger.
Yes. We have to actually find out what we have to find out. Tell me. Let's see. We actually have to find out rate at which the shadow of the horse moves along. Yes. So after that again it will start decreasing. Its speed will increase, then again increase, then decrease, then again increase. Like this it will go on.
Oh, 10, like 10.
Okay. So let us start. Okay. We need to find out the speed at which the shadow is running. Okay. Okay, let us start. It is given the lantern is at the center of the circle. Fence is along tangent. So shadow will be casted on the fence. At which the horse starts. Find the speed with which the shadow of the horse moves along the fence at the moment. At the moment when it covers 1/8 of the circle in kilometers. 1/8 of the circle means what? 1/8 of the arc. What does it means? Tell me.
Half of what circle?
Half of. So what is the angle? Central angle.
45
Central angle will be 45 degree. Can you people understand? This angle will be 45 degree. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay? And this is where the shadow will be. Okay, currently the horse is over here, so its shadow will be over here. Understood, everyone? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Speed is given. We need to find out the speed of the.
Write the x coordinate in terms of it.
Let us see. How I think in terms of tan I can write it. Okay, this is the radius, right? Radius of the circle. So the speed of the shadow S will be equal to r tan theta. Try to understand. Speed of the shadow will be equal to r tan theta.
X coordinate of the shadow is after.
Yes. We are talking about speed.
Either x coordinate different.
Means not speed. Means the distance traveled. This distance traveled by the.
Yes.
It will be equal to r tan theta. We have to find out the velocity, right? So let us call it p. Okay. So dp by dt will be equal to, this is the velocity we need to find out. It will be equal to dr by dt. No, r doesn't changes. R into theta, angle changes. Sorry, my bad. R into sec square theta.
So there will be differentiation in terms of theta. dt by d theta.
It's correct. Why d theta? Wait.
Or change to
Sec square theta d theta by dt. Right.
yes, which is the omega.
D theta by dt is the angular velocity. Right. People must have done it in physics. Okay. D theta by dt is known as angular velocity. Okay, denoted by omega, right?
Yes.
And
it is constant.
huh?
No.
And v is equal to r omega, right? Everyone?
Yes.
Do people remember? V is equal to r omega. So from here, dp by dt is equal to r into d theta by d theta dt. That is r omega into sec square theta. Okay, theta we already know. Now what is r omega? R omega is v. We already know. What is the value of v given in the question? 20. So it will be equal to 20 into sec square 45 degree. Tell me, are people getting? Sec 45 degree will give us how much? 2 square 4. Yes, 20 into 2 will give us 40 kilometers per hour. Tell me. So this is the speed of the shadow. Tell me. Adija, is it clear?
Sir, where is the horse running?
Horse is running around the circular path.
And sir, then how is the shadow the entire length from the center till the wall?
Which one? This.
No, sir, the hypotenuse.
This. This is not the shadow. Horse is over here. Lantern is over here. So where will the shadow be casted?
Oh, the height. Okay, sir.
Are you getting? So this
Yes.
is the distance traveled by the shadow. Can you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me, have you understood this problem or should I explain again? Tell me.
Yes, I understood.
Okay, let us continue.
Sir, I was thinking that if we, I mean, it was a method only, but it is a little bit easier, I think.
Tell me.
If we divide the velocity with the radius, we get the angular velocity, right?
Okay.
And if we find that, can you scroll up? Yeah, that hypotenuse, we can find its the radius, we can multiply that with omega to get the final velocity.
Cannot understand.
I mean, if we multiply the hypotenuse with that omega, then we get to the velocity of the shadow.
Hypotenuse with omega.
We get the velocity of the shadow.
Cannot understand.
I mean, the omega is constant.
Omega is constant.
with direction and velocity, reporting the direction and velocity, to have a component, we 45 degree angle velocity. He is asking that we draw the larger circle,
Okay.
and then since we know the omega, if we get the radius of the larger circle, then we get the velocity. And the part that must be added is the velocity will be around the 45 degree angle, and to take the component along the
Along the x-axis, along the y-axis. Yes, we have to take the component along the y-axis to find out the velocity.
finding the hypotenuse will be a large value.
This way it is. Okay, next. Last one, the answer is 256. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. Anyone having any doubt, 256? No one. This came in last year only.
Say they have gone full creativity. They have added chocolate balls. They have added ice cream.
Oh, chocolate wall. Such a sweet problem. I hope Shania will solve this. No. Please solve this. At home. Must be hungry.
Will I be hungry and solve this?
Anyways, let us start. So question number 1 for today.
Sir, can you solve question 5 once?
Question number 5.
Yes, sir.
Let me see. This one, water is coming out from a conical.
Yes, sir, I
This
think
one.
I was having some mistake.
How much you got? Tell me.
No, sir, I was having some mistake in the process. I mean, I was getting confused in one diagram.
Okay. So let us start. Let us do this one as well. Question number 5. Pay attention. Okay, this is a cone. Water is flowing out from the cone, right? Okay. Water is flowing out from the cone. Semi-vertical angle is 45 degree. This angle is how much? 45 degree. And what are they asking? At a uniform rate of 2 centimeter cube per second. Okay. So, okay. Everything is given to us. What do we need to find? We need to find out the rate of decrease of slant height. Okay, that means we need to find out dl by dt. Okay. So what is v? V is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. Right. dv by dt will be equal to 1/3 pi into. We can actually convert all of them into slant height. It will be easier. Convert all of them into slant height. Okay. First of all, this is 45 degree. R and L are same. Can you people understand this much? Oh no, not R. L is equal to wait. Sorry. L is equal to root 2R. Tell me. So R is equal to L by root 2. So this will be L by root 2. Okay. H will be equal to L by height na L. Yes. L by root 2. L by root 2. Correct. L by root 2. Correct. Now you differentiate. So it will be done.
R square.
Square. So how much are we getting? 1 by 3 into 2 into 2 root 2. So 6 root 2. 1 by 6 root 2 pi into L cube. So it will be 3L square into dl by dt. That is what we need to find out. Tell me, are you getting? dv by dt is given to us. What is the value of dv by dt? 2 is equal to 1 by 2 root 2. L square is given, L is given, slant height.
No, sir, we'll calculate.
You have to calculate.
Yes, sir. Root over of R square plus H square. For 45 days.
R and H are given.
For 45 days.
One of them should be given, na?
Slant height is given.
Slant height is given 4 centimeters. Slant height is given.
Like,
Shashuto.
okay, I didn't use that. I calculated R, then H, and then squared them, and then root.
Slant height is given as 4, right? So 4 square to dl by dt. So what is dl by dt?
So one pi will be.
A pi is also there. So is it clear? Shita?
Sir, I actually drew the diagram. I saw that from the bottom there's a hole. From where water is going around. I was thinking that this hole was inverted.
4 minus 2 I 1 minus 290.
Okay. So over here you thought there was a hole.
No, sir. I thought that the cone was, like the normal one, not this inverted one. And I thought the hole was in the base.
Okay. So tell me, have you understood?
Yes, sir. So, how do we understand where the hole is? At the bottom or at the buttons?
But wherever the hole is, it doesn't matter, right? Water is flowing out from the conical funnel. Does it matter? Like whether the hole is below or the hole is outside?
It matters.
It matters.
It takes pressure.
Well, in pressure, right? Over here, too, nothing is given. It is they have given you the rate of flow of water, na? Wherever the hole is, doesn't matter. Pressure. Okay, so Shrita, how does it matter? Cannot understand. But a hole at bottom is given also. So it is given over here. Okay.
The bottom is the base of the button.
Huh?
the bottom is
It's
the
already
radius of the
green.
bucket.
Oh. No, it's like a cone. Okay, you must have used filter paper in chemistry lab. Okay, so it's like a filter paper, and there's a hole over here. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
I thought that it was not. It was in the normal one. It was in normal position, and then when the water was flowing down, the bucket shape is formed. So the radius is different. So
Oh, I understood. Okay, so you must have taken frustum.
yes, sir. First time.
I understood. Question number one. Question number one is important as well. This one is important. Try it out. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah, go on.
so could you tell the answer of the last question? Number 8, I suppose.
Number 8, 256.
256.
You have any doubts? Go on. Last one.
No, sir. I got a different answer. I just checking it.
Okay, check. I'll get that. Okay, what is happening? Okay, this is question number one. Solve. Are you able to see the whole question? Tell me. Solve. Let's see. Changing.
Left side is not visible.
Left side is not visible. Wait. I'm posting it once again. Okay. So I think the whole question is visible now. Solve. It's question number one.
How is the water flowing out? Is there a movement flow from something like that?
Water is flowing out at the rate of 6 meter cube per minute from a hemispherical bowl of radius 13 meter.
I think it's overflowing.
Overflowing. Somebody is filling the water. It's overflowing.
Why is the depth of the water, then how can it overflow? Why is the depth of the water, how can it overflow?
It is asking us to prove that the volume of the bowl is given by V equal to pi by 3 y square into 3 into capital R minus y
Sir, why?
when water is y meter deep. Okay.
Overflowing meter. Yeah.
Wait. Water is flowing out. So it is leaking, okay. Consider it leaking. Sorry. To prove that the volume of the bowl is given by V equal to pi by 3 y square.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
so y meters deep means y from the top or the bottom?
Couldn't understand. What did you say?
I meant y meters deep means y from the bottom of the hemispherical bowl to
Yes,
the.
from the yes. From the bottom, it is y meter deep. Okay. So let us start. Okay, let me start. I'm just starting with the diagram. Okay, just draw the diagram. Let me just draw the diagram. Okay, this is the hemispherical bowl. Okay, and water is up to y meter deep.
So y meter means above.
Below, from the y meter deep. Okay, whenever we say it is 2 meter, 3 meter deep, that means water is up to 2 meters. Okay, in the pool. So this is y meter. Okay. If the radius is given, right? Radius is given as capital R. So what is the radius? Tell me. Radius will be capital R minus y. I mean, up to this is capital R minus y. Yes or no? Tell me. Are people getting? Those who are online? Tell me. And this is the radius of the hemisphere. Yes or no? This is the radius of the hemisphere. This is y. And can you people understand that at y meter deep on the surface, a small disc is formed, a ring is formed over here. Are people getting? A ring is formed over here. Tell me, Ritam, Shashwato, Swapnil, are you getting? Hmm? What is the disc? Tell me. So I am not taking the surface in the middle. Okay, it's a ring. Okay. So basically, it's a disc only. We consider it as a disc. Okay. So this is a disc. A disc is formed. Can you understand? Like this. So what do we need to find out? We need to find out the volume of the bowl is given by pi by 3 into y square into 3 into capital R minus y, when water is y meter deep. Okay. So surface of the water will be a circle, right? At y meter deep, surface of the water will be a circle.
Sir, what is our radius?
What is?
So the radius of the hemisphere.
Radius of the hemisphere, capital R. I have written it. See,
Sir, R is given.
what is given as R?
13 meters.
So I have taken it as capital R. Afterwards, I'll solve it. Okay. And surface is circular, right? Surface is circular. So let the radius of the circle, let the radius of the circle be r, be r. Let us say that this is r. Okay, everyone. Then what is r square? R square will be equal to capital R square minus capital R minus y whole square. Right? Tell me, Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Because see, r we have taken it. We have to find out volume in terms of capital R and small y. Right? We cannot find it in terms of r. So what is the volume? Tell me, everyone.
2 by 3 pi 26 y square minus 9.
Volume is equal to pi r square h. Achha, wait, you will understand it more. Okay. Achha, pay attention, everyone. Water is the flow of water. I mean, flow of water is variable, right? It is constantly increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing. So basically, this water surface, okay, not only water surface, there are infinitely many surfaces. Y is changing, right? Y increases, the surface will be over here, right? Y decreases, surface will be over here. So there are how many disks? There are infinitely many disks, right, everyone? There are infinitely many disks, and the disk is cylindrical in shape. Can you people understand? Means very minutely, height is 0.
So
Right.
we keep taking.
Yes. Are you people getting? Those disks are cylindrical in shape. Can you people understand? It tends to become cylindrical. Can you people understand? Tell me, Swapnil, are you getting? Tell me. This is one surface. Oh, pay attention, you will understand more. I'll draw one more disk. Okay. After that, it will be easier. Understood? So see, everyone. Those who are online, are you people getting? This is another disk. Okay, everyone. Now, currently, there is some height, there is some difference of height. Let us call it dy. Okay. Now, this difference of height, wait a minute. Tell me, those who are online, Rishabh, Soham, Shrita, Adrija, are you people getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is dy, right? Now currently it is actually, I mean, a part of a hemisphere, right, everyone? But as dy tends to 0, means when we talk about the surface, its height will be 0 only, right? It tends to become 0. So as dy tends to 0, okay, it becomes a disk, right? It becomes a disk, and disks are cylindrical in shape, right? Disk, okay, DVD. Okay, they are cylindrical in shape. Okay, and there are, you can understand that as y varies, okay, there are infinitely many disks, right? Disk over disk, disk over disk. There are infinitely many disks. Many disks. See, using this concept, you can prove the volume of a sphere also, right? Okay, there are infinitely many disks. So what is the volume of the disk? Volume of the disk will be, then volume of the disk will be equal to pi r square h, pi into r square into h. Now what is r square? R square we have found it. It will be pi into capital R square minus capital R minus y whole square into h. Tell me, are you people getting? Those who are online, are you people getting how the disk is
Yes.
formed? Okay. So this is the volume of the disk. Okay.
So what is that H?
What is
H.
so h also we need to replace, right? That's the height of the disk, right? Height of the disk is dy. Achha, sorry. Dy. Right. Tell me, everyone. Are people getting? Okay. So dv is equal to dV is equal to pi into capital R square minus capital R minus y whole square multiplied by dy. Did you people understand? Tell me.
Yes.
Next, how to find out the volume?
Did you
By
found out the formula equation for to find out the volume?
wait. I have got the equation. This is the equation. Tell me. Pi into R square minus R square will get cancelled. What are we getting? We are getting 2RY plus y minus y square into dy. Now let us integrate, everyone. Integrating will get the volume of the water at y meter d. Okay. So integral of dV will be equal to integral of pi into 2 into capital RY minus y square into dy. So what are we getting? Pi into 2r into y square by 2 minus y cube by 3. Tell me, are people getting? Plus c will also be there, isn't it?
Yes.
Constant of integral. This implies volume will be equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. 2 gets cancelled. So we'll get what? Tell me. Pi r into y square minus y cube by 3 plus c. Okay. Tell me, are people getting?
So why do we have a different from 0 to 0?
From
From 0 to y, why does it have a different integral?
Because I have not given any, a limit right over here that we have to find out from this range to this range. Are you getting?
0 to r. 0 to r can add a limit for y.
Limit, later on we'll use boundary value condition to find out the whole volume. Are you getting? So it will be pi r into y square minus y cube by 3 plus c. Now we need to find out the constant of integral. Okay. So for constant of integration, okay, for r equal to 0, y is equal to 0, right? It will be y meter d, and volume will also be equal to 0, right? So we can substitute. When we substitute, we'll get v is equal to pi r into y square minus y cube by 3. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. When you take pi by 3 common, within brackets you are going to get 3r minus y and y cube, and y square will be outside. Pi by 3 into y square into 3r minus y. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. Hence proved. Tell me, Abhigyan, is it clear? Swapnil, you understood?
There is a doubt. In a hemisphere, if we reduce it to a smaller size, is it necessary that it will be also a hemisphere?
Small size? No. It will not. If it bulges out, it will not be a hemisphere.
If I was considering the smaller hemisphere with the depth y or r minus y, then its radius will be also r minus y. The depth equal to radius. I was solving by that.
Cannot understand.
Coming. So I am asking that if we reduce the hemisphere, is it necessary that it will also be hemisphere?
No, it is not necessary. It will bulge out. Like for example, you see, if this is a hemisphere, okay, if you cut from here, will the remaining upper part be a hemisphere? Will it be a hemisphere? No, right? Are you getting? It will be a part of a sphere, but it is not a hemisphere. Are you getting? Hemisphere means it should be cut from middle. Okay. Yes, tell me. You have any doubt?
Isn't it easier with unit pi r sin theta whole square?
I didn't try it by that method.
Because everything of the volume of the sphere is calculated like that way. You take sin theta and then divide the sin theta from.
Volume of the sphere I have calculated it by using coordinate geometry, plus a, minus a. Okay, then you integrate from 0 to a and then multiply it by 2. Are you getting?
Taking r sin theta as the radius and then integrate the sin theta from 0 to 90.
Send me that. Anyways, have you people understood this one? Or should I explain? Tell me. Those who are online, is it clear? Rishabh, Som, Orib, Agniba, are you people getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Subhangi, Shamali, Shinika, did you people understand this one?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Achha, it is given at what rate is water level changing when water is 8 meter deep. Okay, at what rate the water level is changing at 8 meter deep. Okay, so we need to differentiate, right? What is dV by dt? dV by dt will be equal to pi by 3 into over here we have to use UV rule, that is y square into
If we just
3
put the y
into
inside,
3y square into what 3y square into dr by dt. Are you getting 3y square into dr by dt minus dr by dt plus 3r into 2y into dy by dt. Okay, minus dy by dt. Tell me, are people getting? I've differentiated. What do I need to find out? At what rate is water level changing? Water level means y, means dy by dt we need to find out. Okay, when 8 meter deep. Okay, so over here dv by dt is given as, is it given?
so radius and y are given at what height? Depth is given.
Water is flowing at 6 meter per minute.
dv by dt, how do we find out dv by dt?
dV is
6 meter per minute.
Huh?
Water is flowing at the rate.
Say 1/4
Oh, water is flowing at the rate of 6 meter cube per minute, right? So dv by dt is given to us, that is 6. Correct. So this is how much? 6. 6 will be equal to pi by 3, right? Into 3y square, that means 3 into 8 square, into dr by dt is given, the rate at which the radius is changing.
Sir, I found out here by
Sir,
Yes, tell me. What?
sir,
Tell
I
me.
cannot understand how you have applied the UV rule. Means first you differentiated the 3r minus y term, so it should have been y square into minus y square into dy by dt.
I have taken y square inside.
There is no bracket.
Why did I apply dr by dt? Try to understand. The radius is
No,
constant.
sir, I got that. I was
No,
asking
no.
that while first you're differentiating 3r minus y. While differentiating that, first term becomes 3y square divided by dt. Got it. The next
No,
term becomes
I took y square inside. Try to understand. From I took y square inside. 3r y square. I differentiated 3r y square over here.
oh that like
And
that.
then yes. No, but anyways, it is wrong actually, because capital R is constant. Try to understand. Okay, sorry everyone. Capital R is constant. Right. Okay, so let us differentiate it properly. So this will become 3r y square. So what will it become? 3r into 2y into dy by dt minus y cube means 3y square into dy by dt. Are people getting? Okay, by mistake I differentiated capital R also. Capital R is the constant. So it will become 3r into 2y. So 3r, capital R is given as how much? 13.
Yes, it is.
13 given, right? 3 into 13 into 2 into what is y given? 8 meter deep multiplied by 8 into dy by dt we need to find out, minus 3 into y square. Y is given 8 square into dy by dt. Tell me, is it clear to everyone? Now we'll get dy by dt from here. This will become 18 by pi is equal to 39 into, how much are we getting? Dy by dt if I take common, 39 into 78 into 8, minus 64 into 3.
Lot of things common.
So we can take common, right? Wait.
3 and 8.
Let us take 3 common. 3 into 2, 6 I can take common, right? dy by dt into 6 common. Within brackets, 13 into 8 is 104. 104 minus over here 3 into 2 common. It's
So you can
carries
take an 8
64 by
common, yeah.
32. 96. Right.
Okay.
So these two will get cancelled by 3. This implies dy by dt will be equal to 1 upon, wait a minute, 96 8. Why is it not coming? I'm getting 3 by 8 pi. I'm making the mistake. So wait. Calculation, I'm doing some mistake. This 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Okay. So 6 will be equal to pi into 30. 104.
So you can take an 8 common, then it will be 26 minus 8, which is
26 minus 8, so 18.
18.
18 into dy by dt.
6 and 8.
Yes. This one is better. So 6 times 3, yes. So dy by dt will be equal to 1 upon 24 pi. Tell me, is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Yes.
This one.
Third one, wait, let me check.
You can show the third question.
Show me. No, I've got something else. Tell me, those who are online, are you people getting? Rishabh, Soham, Orib, Shweta, Adrija, are you people getting? Adrija, Adrito,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Madhurjo, is it clear? Shubhangi, Shamali, Shinika, did people understand? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, third one. At what rate is the radius of the water surface? Now over here we need to find out dr by dt.
D smaller d.
D smaller by dt. Okay. Is changing when water is 8 meter deep. Okay, everyone. So let us start. Okay, over here we have to include R. Try to understand. Abhigyan, are you getting? Tell me. Over here we have to include R. So what was R square? What was R square in the third part? What was R square? R square was capital R square minus capital R minus Y whole square, right? Tell me. This implies 2R dr by dt is equal to R square, that is gone, minus 2 into R minus Y into minus 1, right? So these two will get cancelled. Yes, this is what I am getting. 2 will get cancelled. I am getting R dr by dt is equal to capital R minus Y. So I know the value of capital R, but I don't know the value of Y, right? Acha, Y is also known, but small r is not known. Acha, see.
Sir, there will be d by dt also.
Square then it will be
Wait. dy by dt, R minus Y. dy by dt. Okay. So over here, dy by dt is given. Tell me.
Sir, I guess we have to substitute from the first one.
Wait.
So,
Over here, what are the values given to us? Capital R is 13. 13 minus 8, 5. This will be 5. Do you remember?
Right.
Over here, a right angle triangle will be formed. This will be 13 minus 8, 5. Right. And this is 13. So what is the radius at 8 meter deep? 12. Can you people understand? So 5. This will be 13. This will be 12. Tell me. So what are we getting? I have got small r. So dy by dt will also be there, na? r minus y into dy by dt. Now we need to find out dy by dt also. What was dy by dt at 8 meter deep?
1 by 24.
1 by 24 pi. So let us substitute. Right. From the second one, dy by dt is equal to 1 by 24 pi. It was given. I mean, we found it. So what is r? R is equal to 12 into dr by dt. R minus y will be equal to 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by dy by dt will be equal to 1 by 24 pi. So let us simplify. What are we getting?
No sir.
Equal to. So this is what I am getting. 5 by 288 pi. But over here some other answer is given. 5 by 288 pi. Answer is given 5 by 2 pi. Oh no. 5 by 288 pi only. I was seeing some other answer. 5 by 288 pi. Tell me, is it clear to everyone? Or should I explain? Which minus? Actually over here there will be a coefficient of y we should multiply, right? Chain rule. So minus will get cancelled. It will become plus 1. Tell me, anyone having any doubt? You can ask me. Okay, so this kind of question can come.
Sir,
Okay.
what if only the last question came?
And solve the second at least, second part and the third part. Right. dy by dt you should know.
Yes.
And first part also you have to know. Okay, next. Approximation and differentials. Approximations and differentials. Okay. Approximation and differentials. See everyone. What have we learnt? Like, what is delta y by delta x? Delta y by delta x is equal to delta y by delta x is equal to f of x plus delta x by f of x plus delta x minus f of x upon delta x. Right? Tell me everyone. Are people getting? Now, as delta x tends to 0, we'll get dy by dx, right? dy by dx will be equal to delta y by delta x. Okay. So from here, if I want to find out delta y will be equal to f dash x into dx. Can you people understand? Delta y will be equal to f dash x into delta x. Yes. Understood? So this is how we can approximate any quantity. Okay, I'll give you an example. For example, find the approximate value of square root of 101. Okay, everyone. So for square root of 101, okay, we have to take one function. For square root of 101, let us take one function. Let y is equal to square root of x. Okay, everyone. Let us take y is equal to square root of x. Okay. Then what is y dash? Y dash is equal to 1 by 2 root over x. Right. So what is delta y? Delta y is equal to f dash x into difference of x, right? Tell me, are people getting? Basically, this is an approximate value, okay? It's not the exact value. F dash x into delta x. What is f dash x? 1 by 2 root over x into what is delta x? So everyone pay attention. What is the nearest perfect square to 101? 100. So we'll substitute 100 over here, okay? Multiplied by delta x. Putting x equal to what? Tell me. Putting x equal to 100. What do we get? Delta y is equal to 1 by 2 into
100 or 10?
100.
Root 100.
Root 100 it will become 10. I am putting into 100 over here.
Oh,
Right, I'm putting 100 over here. So 1 by 2 into 10 multiplied by delta x. What is the difference we are taking? 1.
1.
So this become 1 by 20. So this is what 1 by this is what delta y is. But in order to find out the value of y will be equal to y plus delta y. That is 100 plus sorry root over 100 plus 1 by 20, which is equal to 10.05. Tell me, are people getting? Actually, this is the approximate value, not the exact value. Tell me. Those who are online, are people getting how to approximate? But there was another way to approximate. Do you remember? Binomial 1 plus an x. Okay. So I'm writing that one also, method to approximate. Approximation using binomial. Okay. 101 whole to the power half will become 1 plus 100 whole to the power half. That is 1 plus nx. That is half into. Wait, no, don't write it like this. 1 plus 100.
100 plus 1.
1 plus nx, right?
You can take 100 common. Then it will be.
Yes. Actually, 1 plus nx we can apply when mod of x is less than 1,
Yes.
right? Why I'm making so taking 1 plus 100 whole to the power half, taking 100 to the power half outside, so it will be 10. 1 plus 1 by 100 whole to the power half, so it will become 10 plus nx, so 1 by
Any into 100.
2 into 100 multiplied by 10, right? Tell me.
Yes.
10 is outside, so we have to multiply by 10.
Yes.
So this will become how much? 10 plus 1 by 20. Tell me, those who are online, are people getting? Ori, Pratoy, Adrija, Shita, are you getting? Shubhangi,
Yes.
Shanika, are you getting?
Yes.
Quickly, let us do one problem on approximation. Question number 2. Approximate the value of cube root of 25 using differential. Quickly solve.
Can it be in fractions?
Give the answer in fractions. Correct.
So when you do the nearest value, that has to be lesser than the value given.
Hmm?
When you do the nearest value for delta x, that has to be lesser than the value given. Then 101 into 100.
Lesser or greater, both will work. If it is greater, then you have to apply the formula of 1 minus x whole to the power n. And if it is greater, you have to apply the formula of 1 plus x whole to the power n. Right, it depends what are you taking. Understood? Okay, those who are online, send your answers. What happened? You are making some mistake. Yes, Shinika, your answer is correct. Oriv, your answer is correct. Adrija, your answer is correct. Almost you have done everything correct. So this can also be the approximate value. Your answer is and my answer is very close. Okay. Sir, my answer is also very right with potential. Sure, right. Why have you added? Subtracted.
Minus 2.
Sir,
My understanding is
that is equal to zero to x minus 50.
The fraction will exactly this one.
No, I've got something else. I've got something else. Delta x will be this time minus 2. But
Oh,
isn't it? What is it? Tell me. Okay, everyone pay attention. Okay, so tell me which one should I apply? Binomial or binomial? Okay. So for binomial,
but question is given differential.
but it is even different.
Sir, could you check the answer?
Delta. Huh?
Sir, could you check my answer?
I've got something else. Yeah, Agniva, why are you giving it in decimals? Give it in fractions. Soham, your answer is correct. Yes, Rishabh, your answer is correct. Adrija, your answer is correct. Okay, pay attention, everyone. What is delta y? F dash x into delta x, right? Let f of x equal to what have you got?
79.
That one. Let f of x equal to cube root of x. Okay, everyone. So Shashwati, f dash x will be equal to x power 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 into x to power minus 2 by 3. Right, tell me. So delta y will be equal to f dash x into delta x, right? What is f dash x? Tell me. What is f dash x? F dash x will be equal to 1 by 3 x to the power 2 by 3, right, into delta x. Delta x is minus 2, right, tell me, which is equal to 1 by 3. Now over here we need to substitute x as 27, right? So into 27 to the power 2 by 3 multiplied by minus 2, right, which will give us how much? 27 2 by 2 by to the power 2 by 3 will give us how much? 9. 9 is at 27. In the denominator we have got 27. 1 by 27 into minus 2, right?
Yes,
Therefore, what is y? Y's final value will be equal to 27 minus 2 by 27.
sir. Why 27 minus 2?
Okay, yes, cube root. My bad. Cube root of 27 is 3. 3 minus 2 by 27, that will give us how much? 79 by 27. Tell me, is it clear? Swapnil, Shashwat, is it clear? Sana, Avigyan, have you understood? Tell me. Okay. So should I do it by binomial? Try binomial.
No.
Okay. Next. Our next topic is length of tangent, normal, subtangent, and subnormal. Okay, everyone. Length of tangent, normal, subtangent, and subnormal. Pay attention, everyone. Okay. So you people remember the definition of subtangent and subnormal,
Yes, sir.
right? Is the projection of tangent over the x-axis.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So pay attention, everyone. This is the coordinate axis. This is the curve we are talking about. Okay. So if a tangent is being drawn, making an angle theta. Okay, making an angle theta, and normal is being drawn, making an angle 90 minus theta, right? Sorry, 90 plus theta. Okay. So from here, if you drop a perpendicular, okay, from here if you drop a perpendicular, we can identify the subtangent and subnormal. Okay. Let us mark some points. Okay, everyone. So it is P, Q, R, S. Okay, these are the points P, Q, R, S. Okay, and okay, let us start. Let us call point P as x naught comma y naught. Okay, everyone. Point P is means point P will be given to you. Okay, y equal to f of x with the curve. Okay, and let tan theta will be equal to dy by dx at x naught comma y naught. Okay, at x naught comma y naught, let us take it as m. So this is what the slope of the I have taken slope as m. Okay. So should I write down the definition also? Do people remember the definition? People remember the definition? Okay. So length of tangent. Okay. Length of tangent. Length of tangent will be PQ, right? Tell me, everyone. This is the length of tangent. Okay. Drawn from P to x-axis. This is the length of the tangent to the curve. So what is PQ in terms of theta, everyone? Achha, wait a minute. What is PR? What is the distance PR? Tell me. Why not, right? Tell me, everyone. Those who are online, are you getting? PR will be equal to y naught. So can someone tell me PQ in terms of y naught? Raise your hand. Tell me. Can someone tell me PQ in terms of y naught? Raise your hand. Yeah, Shashwat to tell me. Why not sin theta? Why not cosec theta? No? PQ is equal to y naught cosec theta. Tell me, are you people getting? Or you have to take mod. Okay, everyone, length cannot be negative. Next. So can someone tell me length of normal? Length of normal. Length of normal will be PS. Raise your hand. Can anyone tell me length of normal? Yes, Som, tell me.
Sir, why not sec theta?
Why not sec theta? You see, everyone, this is theta. So this is 90 minus theta. Right. If this is 90 minus theta, this is theta. Right. So it will be why not sec theta? Right, tell me, everyone. Equal to y naught sec theta. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Next. Length of subtangent. Length of subtangent will be equal to QR. Right, it is the projection of the tangent on x-axis. Will be equal to, tell me, in terms of y naught and theta. Raise your hand. So Shashwat, tell me. Y naught sec theta is the length of the yes. Or tell me.
Why not tan theta?
Why not tan theta? Let me see. No.
Why not cot?
Why not cot theta? You go to mod of y naught into cot theta. Check. Check. PR by QR is equal to tan theta. So PR is equal to, okay. And lastly, what is the length of subnormal? Raise your hand. Length of subnormal is QS. RS. It will be equal to, tell me, somebody, yes, Agniva, tell me.
So why not tan theta?
Why not tan theta? Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. So I have written length of tangent, normal, subtangent, subnormal, everything I have written. Okay. You can convert them in terms of m also. Okay. Since m is equal to tan theta. Okay. Since m is equal to tan theta, therefore, since m is equal to tan theta, therefore, length of tangent PQ can be written as, how can we convert cosec theta? Cosec theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, right? Okay. So cosec theta will be, it will be equal to root over 1 plus 1 by m square. Tell me, are you people getting? How can we convert sec theta?
1 minus 1 plus tan square theta.
1 plus tan square theta. So it will become root over 1 plus m square. Cot theta will be equal to 1 by tan theta, so y naught by l. And tan theta is equal to y naught into l. Tell me, the slope is given to us. Okay. Let us do one problem based on this.
Sir, could you zoom out a bit?
Okay. Let us do one problem.
Yes, I'm done.
Okay. This is question number 4, right? Three. Okay. Solve question number 3. Question number 3. Solve. Okay, let me start. What is given, everyone?
Please wait.
What? Tell me.
Sir, I'm sending it to you.
Send.
Sir, I've sent it to you.
Okay, Dijay, your answer is correct. Okay, let us start everyone.
So just a minute, please.
Okay, send. Others also send your answers. Shita, Oriv, Pratyay, Ronak, Rishabh, send your answers. Shamali, Shimika, Ronak, send your answers. Aditya also send your answers. Oh, okay. But they should be directly proportional, right? They are making a mistake.
So could you check?
But over there it is inversely proportional. Not the correct proof. Okay, so your answer is correct. Everyone pay attention.
So, but one is y naught by n, one is y naught n.
Let's see what am I getting. What is given? It's given that for curve vy square equal to x plus a whole cube, the square of the subtangent varies as the subnormal. Okay, that is subtangent it should be proportional to subnormal. Okay, everyone. So vy square is equal to. My task is to prove. Required to prove that subtangent whole square will be proportional to, or you can say it will be equal to lambda into subnormal. Okay, everyone. Tell me, Shashwat, are getting this will be lambda into subnormal. Okay, my task is to find out subtangent. So first of all, what is subtangent? Subtangent is equal to y cot theta. Wait, I am coming. Is equal to y cot theta, right? Tell me, everyone. And this is equal to y by dy by dx, right? Tell me. Y upon dy by dx. Okay, where tan theta is equal to dy by dx. Okay, next. So what is y by dy by dx? Y by dx, dy by dx mod square. This will be equal to lambda into y into dy by dx. Tell me, are you getting? Okay, so let us start. Now over here actually it is given y. See, over here when you simplify, y square is equal to x plus a whole cube divided by b, right? So basically what is given to us? Okay, let us simplify, let us differentiate both sides. Okay, so okay, let us keep b over here only. 2by dy by dx will be equal to 3 into x plus a whole square into 3 into x plus a whole square. So what is dy by dx? Tell me, everyone. Dy by dx is equal to 3 into x plus a whole square divided by 2by. Tell me, everyone. Are people getting? This is what dy by dx is. Okay. So that is the slope. Slope is given to us. Okay. Slope is given to us. Uh, that is tan theta. Wait, what I have written? Y by dy by dx. Y cot theta whole square. No? So y by dy by dx. Y into dy by dx. Oh, forget about this statement. Okay. Not required. By whole square is equal to x plus a whole cube. Okay. After differentiating, I've got by whole square. By square is equal to x. Dy by dx is equal to 3 into x plus a whole square divided by 2 by. Okay. So I need to find out y cot theta, right?
So, if we take h comma k as the point at which
Yes.
we have to draw, then it will be g that being divided by. I mean, when we multiply and get the form of tangent, so we can replace the value of y. There will be a y square term.
Wait, actually, I'm finding out the value of y. Okay. So basically the equation will be in the form of y square is equal to lambda x cube, right? Tell me. Y square is equal to lambda x cube. No. The equation is in this form. Check. Y square is equal to x plus a whole cube divided by this.
Yes.
Okay. Y square is equal to lambda x cube.
Terms of x square and also.
Huh?
Then the x square and also the x plus a whole cube.
This is whole cube.
Check the once.
Wait, let me think.
So, subtangent is saying 2b y square by g x plus a whole square.
Actually, let us find out subtangent directly. Okay. Subtangent is what? Y naught cot theta, right?
Yes.
So y naught into cot theta will be how much? 1 by m. Okay. And what is subnormal?
Why not n?
Y naught m. Right.
We replace the
My task is to prove
St squared equals to Sn.
st square is proportional to Sn. Okay, that means we need to prove y naught square by m square must be equal to y naught into m, right? Basically, it's proportional to y naught into m. That means I need to prove that y naught square is equal to lambda into m cube. Right, and this is what we need to prove. This is what we need to prove, right? I need to find out a value of lambda such that y naught cube is equal, y naught is equal to lambda m cube, right? This is what we need to prove. Plus minus lambda, whatever, positive or negative, I don't know. Okay, I have got the value of m, right? So what are we getting? Let us find out y naught is equal to lambda into m is what? 3x plus a whole square. 3 into x plus a whole square whole cube divided by 2by whole cube.
2b y naught.
2b y naught. Why not?
Yes.
2b y whole cube.
That we are taking y naught, then there has to be y naught. Because
Y naught whole cube. Okay? And then this should be x naught then. Right, at x naught, y naught. Are you getting? Okay. So from here, let us simplify. Okay, this
How will
simplification.
you prove this?
No, I have to find out the value of lambda. Okay. If lambda is a constant, lambda is free of y and x. Okay. Then my problem is done. Right. So what is lambda? Lambda is equal to y naught into 8b y naught to the power 3 divided by how much? 3 cube is 27, right? 27 into x naught plus a whole to the power 6 it is, right?
y to the power 4 comes as x plus
Achha, y to the power 4 in the numerator you see y to the power 4 is nothing but
x plus a
x naught plus a whole to the power 6
6 and there will be a and b terms
divided by 27 into x naught plus a whole to the power 6. Done.
divided by b square.
These two gets cancelled. We are getting 8.
8b by 27 b square.
8b. No. These two will get cancelled. We'll get 8b by 27 only. Right. Hence proved.
Y naught to the power y square is equal to x plus a whole to the whole cube by b.
Wait. Y square it is, na? So, oh yes.
There will be b
So b square term will be there over here.
The denominator.
The denominator.
Yes.
Wait, in the numerator it should be, right? I replaced y.
Y square or y
Oh yes, yes, yes. It should be there in. Wait, so in the numerator b will be there, but in the denominator there will be b square. Oh, acha. So see, anyways, it is a constant 8 by 27b. Tell me, hence proof. Is it clear to everyone? Those who are online, is it clear? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Arif, Agniba, are you people getting? Shubhangi?
Yes, sir.
Shubhankit, is it clear? Tell me.
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, I'm doing it once again. Okay, I mean, making you understand once again. Pay attention. By square is equal to x plus a whole cube. I have differentiated. I've got the slope. Okay, slope at x naught y naught. I'll get it. Subtangent is this. Subnormal is this. I need to prove that y naught square by m square is equal to y naught m is proportional to y naught m. That means equal to lambda into m cube. From here, if I take lambda as a constant, my proof is done. Right, means lambda should be free of x naught y naught. From here, what do we get? Y naught is equal to lambda into 3x naught plus a whole square divided by 2b y naught whole cube. Now over here you see, we'll get y naught. So lambda will be equal to, taking everything to right left hand side. Actually it should be 8b cube, right? 8b cube. 8b cube y naught cube divided by 27 into x naught plus a whole to the power 6. Tell me, are you getting? Now, since x naught y naught lies on the curve, that means 3 that is b y naught square must be equal to x naught plus a whole cube, right? Tell me. So instead of x naught, instead of y instead of x naught plus a whole to the power 6, I can replace it by y naught cube, right? By b. Actually, b I didn't write it over here. I should have written it over here. By b square. This should be b cube. This should be b square. Are you getting? Tell me. So after that, x naught plus a whole to the power 6, x naught plus a whole to the power 6 gets cancelled. You are going to get 8b by 27. Tell me. Are you getting? Is it clear to everyone? Okay, next. Wait, let me see. I've done the replacement correctly, right? X naught plus a. Wait a minute. X naught plus a will go to that side. 8b cube y naught. Okay. Y naught cube into y. Divided by 27 into x naught plus a whole to the power 6 into b square. B square is coming from here.
B square comes after replacement.
After replacement. Means after replacement it will come now.
Yes.
Over here there will be no b square. When you replace y square is equal to. So when you square, b square will come in the denominator. Okay. So is it clear, Abhigyan? Okay, next. Next, our next topic is monotonicity. Monotonicity. Monotonous means, what does monotonous means? Same time. Okay. So over here, we will understand how we can draw the graph, okay, of some different kinds of functions also. Write it down. Functions are said to be monotonic. Functions are said to be monotonic if they are either increasing, or decreasing in their entire domain, entire domain. Okay. For example, y is equal to e to the power x, y equal to ln x, y equal to minus x, y equal to x, y equal to e to the power minus x, y equal to cot inverse x. All these are monotonous function. Okay. So I don't think I need to draw the graph of any function. If you will remember, like if you draw the graph of y equal to e to the power x, it will look somewhat like this. Y equal to ln x is also an increasing function. It looks somewhat like this, right? Tell me. How does the graph of cot inverse x looks like? Anyone draw and tell? Tell me. Draw those who are over here. Tell me the graph of cot inverse x. Correct. Right, everyone. Avigyan. Draw the graph of cot inverse x and show me.
So do we need to post it too?
Yes, yes. Draw the graph, send. Let me see. Yes.
So next question.
Yes. Rishabh, right answer. No. Oh, 0 is below, right? Then.
Yes.
Yes, Som, right answer. Yes. Yes, Adrija, it's correct. So this is the graph of cot inverse x, if you people remember. This is the graph of cot inverse x. Right. Okay. It's monotonic increasing or decreasing?
Decreasing.
Okay. Next note.
So is it a big note or a small note?
4 or 5 lines.
Yes, sir.
What is happening? Wait. P to the power minus x is increasing or decreasing? Increasing. Right. Let's something wrong. My note app is not working. Let's see. Okay. Let's continue. So note it down, everyone. Because Note it down. Oh, what is happening? Okay. Y equal to sin x. Is it monotonic? Tell me.
No, sir. No.
Y equal to sin x is not monotonic. Monotonic. Y equal to sin x is not monotonic in its domain. Okay. So in order to make it monotonic, what do we need to do?
So cut the domain.
Restrict the domain. Its domain. Okay. To make it monotonic, we need to restrict the domain. So write it down. But y equal to sin x in minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 is monotonic. It's monotonic. Is monotonic in this interval. Okay. Let's see. In IIT, okay. In IIT, they don't ever confuse between the intervals. Okay, like for example, y equal to sin x is monotonic in close minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 also, right? Okay, so they won't confuse you in the interval. Okay, okay, they won't give you these technical differences. Okay, like close minus pi by 2, monotonicity in minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, or open minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, function will be continuous. Understood? But see, in some books you'll find that y equal to sin x is monotonic in this interval. In some books you'll find that y equal to sin x is in this interval. Both are correct. Okay, so don't get confused. Okay. Next.
So why are some books excluding the pi by 2 and minus pi by 2 values?
Because at pi by 2 and minus pi by 2 it becomes exactly flat, right? Tangent. Okay, it reaches its peak. That is why. Monotonicity of a function at a point. So see, why the interval does not matter, you will understand in this definition. Okay. So see, if a function is completely increasing, like see, this is an increasing function. Okay, I want to find out the monotonicity around x equal to a. Around x equal to a, I need to understand whether the function is monotonous or not. Okay. So this is a minus h, right? And let us say that this is a plus h. Okay. So for a very small h greater than 0, if f of a minus h is less than f of a is less than f of a plus h. F of a plus h. Okay, for a very small interval, if f of a minus h is less than f of a is less than f of a plus h. Okay, we can say that the function is monotonically increasing at a. Monotonically increasing at x equal to a. At x equal to a. Okay, everyone. And if f of a minus h is greater than f of a, is greater than f of a plus h, then we can say and the function is monotonically decreasing at x equal to a. Tell me, are you people getting? Decreasing at x equal to a. Okay. Next. Local maximum. What is local
Sir,
maximum?
could you zoom out of it?
Yes. Local maximum, everyone pay attention. For example, x equal to a is a local maximum. This is how the graph will look like. Right. Before, I mean, in functions chapter also I have discussed it, right? Do people remember? Okay. So for some h greater than 0, for some small h greater than 0, if f of a minus h is less than f of a, is greater than f of a plus h, then we'll get a local maximum, right? We'll get a local maximum. Okay. And for local minimum, what does it means? Local minima, what will happen? Local minima at x equal to a. Opposite, right? These things we have already discussed in function chapter. Okay. If f of a minus h is greater than f of a, is less than f of a plus h, then we'll get a local minima at x equal to a. We get local minima at x equal to a. Tell me, are people getting? Note, why do we say local? Okay, local because there can be a lot of maximas and minimas, right everyone? Okay, so we say local maxima, local minima. Okay, in an interval we define the maximum minima, so that's why we say local. Okay, tell me, like for example, the graph of y equal to sin x, there will be a lot of local maximas, right? A lot of local minimas also. Okay, you see, a lot of local maximas are there, and a lot of local minimas are there.
Local minima is only possible in non-monotonous function.
Non-monotonous function. The function is non-monotonic. Tell me, those are online, are people getting? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
4 year everyone is getting. Next. See, we can talk about monotonicity of a function. What happened? Of a function. We can talk about monotonicity of a function f of x at x equal to a only if x equal to a is in domain, right? If x equal to a is not there in the domain, we cannot say. So if f of x equal to a is in the domain without any consideration of continuity or differentiability? Continuity or differentiability? Okay, that is, you see this function. Can I say that this function is increasing at x equal to a? Right, tell me. Can I say that this function is increasing at x equal to a? Okay. Here, I'll draw one more graph. This one also. Can I say that the function is decreasing at x equal to a? Right, are you people getting, those who are online?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So both the graphs are non-differentiable at x equal to a. Over here, both are non-differentiable at x equal to a. But still the function is monotonous, right? But still they are monotonous. Okay. Let us check for continuity also. I'll give an example for continuity. So see, even if the function is discontinuous, I can still draw a function which is monotonous. See over here, at x equal to a, is the function monotonic? Tell me. Over here, at x equal to a, is the function monotonic? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Tell me, Shwankit, Oriv, Shubhangi, are people getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This graph is discontinuous at x equal to a. Okay, but still increasing. But still it is increasing. Okay, so continuity and differentiability does not affect the monotonicity of the function. Okay. Next. Y equal to x cube, x to the power 1 by 3. Y equal to x to the power 1 by 3 is also an increasing function, right? Tell me. Over here it is non-differentiable at x equal to 0, right? Over here this function is non-differentiable at x equal to 0. Right, tell me here. But still increasing. Okay. And over here we'll get a vertical tangent. Over here we'll get a vertical tangent, that is y-axis. Okay, write it down, vertical tangent. Next. Monotonicity in an interval. Monotonicity in an interval. Okay. If functions, keep it in silent mode. If function at all points A comma B is monotonic. Monotonic. Then F is monotonic in the whole interval. Then F is monotonic in the whole interval. Open A comma B. Okay. F is monotonic in the whole interval A comma B. Okay. Next. If dy by dx is equal to 0, this implies we'll get. Achha, this does not implies we'll get a maxima or minima. Okay. Every time it will not imply that we'll get a maxima or minima. Okay. Like for example, y equal to x cube, y equal to minus x cube, y equal to x square, y equal to minus x square. Okay. Pay attention everyone. First of all, I am going to draw the graph of y equal to x cube. See, this is the graph of y equal to x cube. The function is completely increasing, right? Tell me everyone. It's an increasing function. It's an increasing function. What is the what is y dash at x equal to 0? 0. Okay. So does it? So are we getting a local minima or maxima? No. So you have to draw the graph and check. Number 2. Next. Y equal to minus x cube. The function is completely decreasing. Right. It's a decreasing function. Are we getting local minima or maxima? Okay. Next, number 3. Y equal to x square. Over here, what are we getting? We are getting a local minima, right? Y dash at x equal to 0. Here we are getting a lower. Here we are getting a local minima at x equal to 0. Right, tell me everyone. We are getting a local minima at x equal to 0. And for y equal to minus x square, we will get a local maxima. Tell me, those who are online, are you people getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Getting a local maxima. At x equal to 0.
Sir, so all non-bounded functions will not have any maxima or minimum.
All?
Non-bounded functions.
It does not matter. Y equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 has local maxima and minima, but it is not bounded. Right.
Yes.
Monotonic, increasing or decreasing? Yes. In its domain. Okay. Achha, you people have to raise your hand and tell me. You have to tell me whether we are getting a local maxima or minima or not. Okay. And what are we getting? Are we getting a local maxima or local minima? Wait, let me complete. It's not yet completed. Tell me. Tell me, raise your hand. Over here we are getting local maxima, local minima or nothing. Tell me, what is it? Raise your hand. This is question number 4, right? 4 part 1. Tell me, short.
Sir, nothing.
Nothing?
Sir, two local minimas.
2 local minimas. Which are those?
Sir, limit 0 plus and 0 minus.
You have to tell the exact value. Whenever we are talking about local minima or local maxima, we are talking about the exact value, not the tending value. Yes. So tell me.
So we are getting a local maximum.
We are getting a local maxima over here. How local maxima? You see, over here, can I say, everyone pay attention, can I say f of 0 minus h is less than f of 0 and it is greater than f of 0 plus h? Tell me, can I say this or not? Tell me. Tell me, Swapnil, are you getting? Shana, can I say this? So if this happens, that means at x equal to 0, we are getting local maxima.
Yes.
Therefore, here we are getting local maxima at x equal to 0. At x equal to 0. Tell me, don't get confused. Now part 2, raise your hand. Tell me. Over here, what are we getting? Local maxima or local minima? Or nothing? What are we getting? Yes. Abhigyan, tell me. Local minima, right? Tell me. Are having any doubt? You can ask me. Tell me. Now that you people are comfortable, let us draw another graph, part 3. Those are online also, answer. Oriv also answer. Oriv, Adrija, Abhigyan, answer. Tell me. Okay, over here, hollow circle. Okay. Tell me. Over here, local minima or local maxima? Raise your hand. Tell me. Yes, Oriv, tell me. Oriv, tell me, local minima or local maxima over here? No, Oriv, I cannot hear you. Pratyay, Madhurjo, tell me. So, Oriv cannot hear you. Yes, over here, yes, Shashwata, tell me.
Maximum.
Local maxima, right? Tell me, anyone having any doubt? Can ask me. Next, number 4.
So you can hear me now.
Yes, now I can hear you. This one you people can understand local minima, right? Tell me. Local minima. Okay. Note. If a function has extremum 5% charge, has extremum at x equal to a, then it can't be monotonic. At x equal to a, and vice versa. Okay. Okay, one last problem. Okay, quickly solve. Question number 5. Find the interval. Of monotonicity of number 1 x square e to the power minus x. Number 2, only do x square e to the power minus x. Solve. Oh, number 1. x square e to the power minus x. Solve quickly. You have to tell me the interval of monotonicity. Where does the function increases? This is the last problem. Everyone quickly solve. Last problem.
Sir.
Done.
Yes. Sir, decreasing this one, increasing this one.
Okay, let me solve.
One.
1 second.
Yeah.
Right. Where it is increasing, where it is decreasing. Tell me.
It is increasing here and less to whatever is
Nice. Yes, Padrija, your answer is correct. Rishabh, your answer is correct. Rishabh, write down increasing, decreasing. Soham, check your answer again. Okay, let's start. Okay, everyone. Let me start. Where it is increasing, decreasing. Let us start, everyone. What do we need to find out? Let us find out. What is happening at some important points. Okay, everyone. So let f of x equal to x square into e to the power minus x. What is the domain? Everyone, what is the domain of f? All real, right? Next. Number 2. What is f of minus infinity? Tell me. F of minus infinity will be equal to? Tell me. Infinity only. Right? And f of infinity will be equal to? It is infinity by infinity form. Right? Will limit extends to infinity. X square upon e to the power x. Tell me, what is limit extends to infinity x square upon e to the power x? What is the value? Quickly tell me. Zero, right?
Zero.
If I use L orbital twice, you will get 0. Right. Next. And over here, I don't think we need to check whether it is, continuous or differentiable. It is continuous and differentiable. Here, f is continuous and differentiable, right? Tell me, everyone. I'm going to plot the curve. Okay, everyone. Yes, Rishabh, your answer is correct. F dash x. Those who are online, are you people getting Pratyay?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting Madhurjo, Shubhangi, Shinika, Shubhankit? Are people getting Shanaya? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. F dash x will be equal to x square into minus e to the power minus x. Swapnil, are you getting? Plus 2x into e to the power minus x. Tell me, are you people getting? Taking e to the power minus x common, what are you getting? X square. Actually, e to the power minus x into x common. We'll get x minus 2. Right? Let us put it greater than 0. Oh, wait.
minus common.
Sir, 2 minus 6.
2 minus x, right? You are correct. 2 minus x. Let me see how 2 minus x is. Let us put it greater than 0. Putting greater than 0, what do we get? We get x belongs to 0, 2, right? 0, 2 or close to 0, 2. Remember the definition. Okay, it's increasing, right, in the interval. Those are online, are people getting? And so we can say it is decreasing in minus infinity comma 0 union 2 comma infinity. Okay, now let us find out its function values. So f of minus infinity we have got it, f of infinity we have got it. What is f of 0? F of 0 is equal to 0. F of 0 is 0. 0 1.
No, if 0 is 0.
I wrote 0. What is f of 2?
0.
4 by e square. Right, tell me.
So 2 minus 2 is 0.
X square into e. I am talking about f of 2, not f dash.
Also,
Let us plot the curve. The curve will look somewhat like this. F of minus infinity is infinity. It will come down, decreasing. It will reach origin, right? After origin, it will start increasing like this up to 2. Then at infinity, it is tending to 0. This is how the curve will look like. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Tell me, Shavankit, you understood how I plotted the curve?
Yes, sir.
It will reach its max. Over here, what is the value, everyone? Up to 2, it will increase. So it will reach maxima at 2. At 2, what is the value of the curve? 2 comma e square by 4. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. Soham, you understood how I plotted the curve? Arif, Adito,
Yes, sir.
everyone understood? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
E square by 4 or 4 by e square?
Note, what? E square, x square into e to the power minus x.
So 4 by
Oh, acha, 4 y. Question number 1. I mean, note part 1. If find lambda, if x square into e to the power minus x equal to lambda has number 1 0 solutions. Tell me. Quickly tell me for 0 solutions. Raise your hand. X square into e to the power minus x is equal. Acha, you know how to solve this equation, right? Tell me. No.
sir,
Tell me.
lambda greater than 4 by e square.
I'm making slides. Acha, equal to lambda means what? Right hand side is a constant, means we have to draw the straight line. Y equal to lambda. Y equal to lambda can be this. Right? You have to find out. You have to find out such value of lambda, such that this straight line never. I mean, the line y equal to lambda is the line parallel to x-axis, right? Passing through 0 comma lambda. Yes, Rishabh, tell me. For 0 solutions, what is the answer? Lambda belongs to.
So lambda equals to 0 to minus infinity. Minus infinity to 0.
Minus infinity to 0, closed or open?
Closed. I mean open.
Yes, correct. Are people getting? If you are not getting, let me know. Tell me, Agniva, Adrija, are people getting? Adrito, Arif,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Dr.
sir.
Madhurjo,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shubhangi, Shubhankit, are people getting? Shamali,
Yes, sir.
Shanika, Shanika, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
If everyone is getting, tell me for number 2. One solution. Raise your hand. Yes, Abhigyan, tell me. Lambda belongs to.
If 4 by e square comma infinity
4 by e square comma infinity. So 4 by e square
is open.
is open. He has done a slight mistake. Can you people identify? Yes, sir. 0. Yes, she's correct.
Sir, not 0. Y equal to 0.
So no elements. Lambda.
Ah,
Union elemental 0. What happened? Number 3. So tell me 2 solutions. 2 solutions. Tell me.
0 to 4 by e square. Not included 4.
That means this line.
No. Sir.
Huh? For two solutions, tell me. Anyone, raise your hand. Can you find a straight line parallel to x-axis which will just cut at two distinct points? Yes.
Sir, one more.
Yes, Shrijita, tell me.
Sir, only y equals to 4 by e square.
Yes.
Only lambda equal to e square by 4. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. I'll
Sir,
explain.
4 by e square.
I square by 4 by e square. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
so at y equal to 0, we are getting three solutions.
Three solutions. Y equal lambda equal to 0.
Lambda equal to 0, sir.
We are getting one
Means-
solution, na?
Okay.
Last one, number 4. Tell me for three solutions. Last one. What is lambda? Quickly. Yes. Start for the
0 to 4 by e square.
0 to 4 by e square. Open. Done. Okay. So I think we can keep it till now. Next class will again continue. Thank you everyone. Good night. Thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Good
you
night,
so
sir.
much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Okay, quickly.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I did not have the next class today.
Did not?
I did not have the next class today.
Oh, today?
And I messaged you.
Yeah, I didn't see it. Anyways, no problem. Okay. I didn't see it. Okay, anyways. Anyways, next time. Next week. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you, Shrita. Bye.
Thank you, sir.